Section 5, Common Pitfalls and Best Practices. Before we wrap up, it's important to know about some common mistakes and best practices when working with ChatGPT. Firstly, remember that the quality of the output generated by ChatGPT will depend on the quality of the input prompt. Therefore, it's important to be as clear and specific as possible when providing prompts to ChatGPT. Secondly, ChatGPT may generate biased or offensive content if it has been trained on biased or offensive data. To avoid this, you should be aware of the biases in the data used to train the model and take steps to mitigate them. Thirdly, be mindful that ChatGPT can only generate text based on the patterns it has learned from the data it was trained on. It cannot understand the meaning of the text like a human can. Therefore, it's important to use ChatGPT as a tool to generate text rather than relying on it to make decisions or provide expert opinions. Finally, it's important to use ChatGPT responsibly and ethically. Do not use it to generate fake news or misleading content. Use it to augment your writing and productivity, not to deceive or harm others.